guys, Kyle here with Good Time Entertainment, local legend, DJ for the last 21 years. Anyways, today we're going to do my review of the Mezmerizor 4FX 3D RGB Laser from Blizzard Lighting. So, let's grab one real quick here. We just happen to have got ours in. This is the one straight out of the box, okay? Very nice, very good looking, solid, and it's actually very simple to use. You got yourself, of course, you got your power, sound activated mic, and of course your adjustment here. Now, right out of the box, you can use this thing. Let's plug it in and see what I'm talking about. Okay, so we got our cord here. Let's plug her in. Real simple like. Okay, now, really cool. Take your dip switches, 9 and 10, turn them on. There you go. Get yourself a nice little pattern on the wall. And it's going to kind of go through all the different things it has. By the way, it has over 180 different patterns. Everything from the galaxy to a star field to single images. There's your star field image right there. So right out of the box, you can put this and show it on the dance floor and create some stunning effects. But for the real control, you want to plug it into your software. And there's all kinds of options out there, but probably the best one for your bet is going to be Eclipse DMX lighting software from Blizzard. And let's go ahead and get her hooked up. Okay, so we've got it plugged into our software. We're going to go ahead and dim the lights, as they say. See what we can get on our wall there. All right, so with this software, of course, you can go right back into your auto, and that will do all of your different stuff on the screen. Let's go ahead and kill these other lights here so we get the full effect of just the laser. And that's going to go through all the different options there. Of course, you can automatically go right to your galaxies. And this is your galaxy effect. And this is going to go through a bunch of different options here, show you on the screen. Of course, you got your single shapes. But you want to get really kind of cool. We're going to go ahead and get into our Running Man. That's a Starfield effect. Or we can do our flowers and the Starfield effect as well. Or we can go and just a single image, our Dancing Man on the screen. Of course, for you Prince fans, you got yourself a nice purple heart from Prince. For the lovers out there, of course, you got your heart. And there is so much more that you can do with this. But one of my favorite things for the price is you can actually create your own liquid sky. Keep in mind, the price of this particular laser is only $3.99. Under $400, and you're going to get tons and tons of options. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring the camera around and give you an idea of what the laser light effect looks like. So there it is. For $3.99, you got yourself a liquid sky. Go into the light, Carol Ann.